Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your booking on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your booking.com account. Now on your screen, at the bottom you can see options like search, saved, bookings and profile. You can find your bookings under bookings. Then right beside your booking you can see a small three-dot menu. Tap on it. Then from the bottom you can see a small menu appearing which has options like your booking, message property, change dates and cancel booking. Tap on cancel booking. Then all you have to do is cancel entire booking. Now you have to give a reason for cancelling. Then tap on cancel my booking. Next, tap on continue to cancel booking. It might take a few seconds, then booking.com is going to cancel your booking on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.